Hello students, you would be familiar with this word atlas. Yes, what is atlas? Atlas is a book having collection of maps. You can see map of the world in the atlas. Map of different countries like Canada, like United States of America, Mexico, Central America, map of Central America, map of South America, map of Africa, map of Northern Europe, Western Europe, Southern Europe, Russian Federation, map of Southwest Asia, map of India, map of China, map of Australia, and many more. So, Atlas is a collection of map. It is a book having collection of maps. What is map? Map is a presentation of the word on a paper. Globe is also a model of the earth, but it cannot show you all the countries at one time like map, and it cannot show you the details of one country or one region or one state. We can show details of any one country in a map. There could be a map of one country like Australia, any one country like India, China. Map could show you details of any one state also. There could be map of Rajasthan, only map of Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, etc. Types of maps. See, there are 3 types of maps. Number 1 is India political. Political map could be drawn of any country. Like it is a political map. You can see there are boundaries of states in this map. This map shows us boundaries of different states. We can see capitals and boundaries in this map. So political maps show boundaries. See, this is physical map. Physical map does not show boundaries. These are plain maps, and we can show rivers, mountains in this. As there are no boundaries, you can see we can draw rivers, the route of river Ganga, Yamuna, route of Himalaya running from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So, these kind of things like Deccan Plateau, all the relief features, deserts, Great Indian Desert, plateaus, rivers, mountains, plains could be shown on physical map. These are third kind of map. These are thematic maps. Themes are shown in the map. Like in this map, you can see the theme of forest in India. You can see they have shown the different kinds of forest with different colors. In this map, tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, thorny forest, and Himalaya forest are shown with different colors. See, green forest are deciduous forest that are shown in this map. Then there are thorny forest, Kantuvale jungle in Rajasthan that are shown in this map. So this is thematic map. Theme is chosen to show in the map. This is thematic map of tourism. Different tourist places are shown on the map. Only tourist places would be shown in this map because theme of the map is tourism. Different languages are shown in this map because theme of the map is languages. So it is showing languages of India in the map, and this box is called index of the map so that we can read the map easily. As in this index it is shown that light purple color show Kannada language and light green color shows Hindi and Maithili. So this is the map of languages. How we can read maps? Maps have different languages and we can read map through these languages. Like map uses directions. What are directions? There are 4 major directions: north, south, east and west. When you go out and see from where sun rises, that is east direction. That is east direction. And opposite of that is west direction. And when you faces the sun and stand, then your left hand shows north direction and your right hand shows south direction. So, how these directions play a role in maps? On the top of the map it is north direction. On the top of the map it is north direction, and on the bottom of the map it is south direction. And then when we faces north, then at the right hand side it is east direction, and on the left hand side it is west direction. On the north side lies Jammu and Ladakh. In the south, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. In the east side, all the northeastern states, 7 sisters, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, all that lies in our east of India. And in the west lies Gujarat, Rajasthan lies in our west direction. Children, do you know we call the Bengal as West Bengal, but actually it lies in our east of the India. And beside these 4 major directions, north, south, east and west, there are subdirections also, means direction in between these 4 major cardinal directions. These are 4 major cardinal directions, and in between that we have subdirections also. Let's learn. Between north and east there is a direction that is northeast, right? Between south and east there is direction called southeast. Between north and west there is a subdirection called northwest. Between south and west there is a subdirection called southwest. We always call these directions starting from north or south, like northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest. We never call them west south or east south. That would be wrong. We always call this direction starting from north or south. So you also, children. Next important feature is scale of the map. Children, we use scale in the map. It is very essential for the maps. Why? Because we cannot show actual distances on the map. Do you know? We cannot show actual areas on the map because map have to be drawn on the paper and it need to be shortened. So we use scales. Scales actually make the map's compressor. Like it could show 1,000 kilometer in 1 centimeter. Through scale, children, we can show thousands of kilometers in 1 centimeter. So it shortens the map. It shrinks the map. That is very essential as we can show whole India on a small piece of paper, whole world on a small piece of paper. How it is possible? It is possible due to scale. Scale shrinks the map. 1,000 kilometer could be shown in few centimeters. Next important feature of the map is colors. Colors are very important in the map. As you can see, brown color is used to show mountains. Green color is shown to play for plains. Blue color is shown for oceans. We can show oceans and rivers by using green color. See, in this map we have shown rivers with blue color and green color is shown to mark the plains and yellow color is used for showing deserts, plateaus. Darker the blue color, darker the depth of the sea or ocean is. So children, use the colors wisely while making maps. Symbols are used in map for showing various things. There are few conventional symbols used all over world. Like international boundaries could be shown with this line. Country's capital could be shown with this circle. Rivers could be shown with blue line. And major airports could be shown by using symbol of aeroplane. Why we use symbols in the map? Because map has a limited space. So we need to use symbols in the map. There are different kind of symbols. As you can see, for domestic airport, there is a symbol of aeroplane. For hospital, there is symbol of plus. This for showing police station, we are using the symbol of star. So in this chapter, we have read about symbols, scale, colors, and directions used in the map. Now, very important things. A person who design and make map for us is called cartographer. And this art of making maps using scale is called cartography. So now children, open your atlas and explore all these things and enjoy your journey of atlas. Goodbye. Bye-bye for now.